Hey everyone, Lewis here. Today I'm comparing Kajabi with LearnWorlds. I'll break them down side by side, making it easier for you to decide which one is the best fit for your online business. Now, full transparency, I personally use Kajabi because I think it's the best all-in-one platform. But that doesn't mean it's perfect, and LearnWorlds has its own strengths too. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of both so you can make the best choice for yourself. And if you do decide Kajabi is right for you, I've got a special 30-day free trial link, way longer than the standard 14 days, plus some exclusive bonuses, including my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. More on that later though. First, let's dive into the comparison. First off, let's talk about LearnWorlds. It's a platform that focuses on creating courses and giving students a great learning experience. It works like an online academy or school, which makes it a good choice if you want to build an educational institution. LearnWorlds focuses on creating learning experience that students enjoy. It lets course creators share fun and interactive content like videos, ebooks, quizzes, and SCORM files. This helps students learn better while having a good time. One great feature is its interactive video learning. You can add things like transcripts, quizzes, and in-video interactions, making the experience more engaging and immersive. Plus, it comes with social learning tools. These allow students to connect with communities and take part in discussions, adding more value to their learning journey. Another great thing is how easy LearnWorlds makes building a website. It offers over 50 ready-made templates, so getting your academy online is super simple. From a business perspective, LearnWorlds is built for revenue generation. It has a strong system for selling courses, offering flexible pricing for single courses, bundles, and memberships. It also supports white labeling, so you can build your own branded learning platform. Lastly, LearnWorlds works with tons of other tools, which makes it even better. You can integrate it to payment systems like Stripe and PayPal, automation tools like Zapier and Make, and email platforms like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp. It even works with live session tools like Zoom and Calendly. On the other hand, there's Kajabi. I've been using Kajabi for years, and it's become a core part of how I run my online business. Kajabi isn't just a place to host courses, it's an all-in-one platform built for creators who want everything in one place. With Kajabi, you get email marketing built right in, so you don't have to pay for another tool. It's perfect for courses and memberships just like LearnWorlds, but it also gives you more. Plus, it comes with extra features like podcast hosting, website building, and sales funnels. It's all in one place, making it super easy to build and grow your online business. Kajabi is designed to be an all-in-one solution, giving you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your digital products. It has a website builder to create landing pages and blog posts, plus a CRM to keep track of your contacts. On top of that, Kajabi's customer support is available 24/7 with live chat, which is one of the main reasons I've stuck with it for so long. While both platforms are great for creating courses, Kajabi's extra features make it a better choice if you want to build more than just an online school. It's perfect for creating a full online business. Now, let's take a closer look at their plans and pricing. So, LearnWorld has 4 plans. The starter plan is $29 a month, and there's a $5 fee for every course enrollment. It gives you the basic tools you need to create courses like unlimited paid courses, quizzes, and drip content. Additionally, you get a 3-page website with templates, support for your own domain, multilingual features, and simple payment options. Plus, you'll have 24/5 email support if you need help. The Pro Trainer plan costs $99 per month and has no extra transaction fees. It comes with unlimited courses, live classes, assessments, certificates, and even digital credentials to keep things simple. Plus, it works with iOS and Android apps, lets you send mass emails, and includes tools for subscriptions and sales funnels. On top of that, it supports affiliate marketing and gives you 5 admin or instructor seats. The Learning Center plan costs $299 per month and gives you everything in the Pro Trainer plan plus more. You get interactive videos, automatic transcripts, advanced assessments, and easy integrations with Zoom or WebEx. On top of that, it includes school cloning, progress tracking, bulk actions for users, and seats for up to 25 admins or collaborators. You also get priority support with help during onboarding. The high volume and corporate plan is made for large businesses and has custom pricing. It includes 99.95% uptime, strong cloud security, daily backups, custom SSL, and follows GDPR rules. Plus, it gives you custom admin roles, flexible pricing options, and a dedicated success manager. You'll also get 24/7 priority support by email and phone to keep things running smoothly. Similarly, Kajabi offers 4 plans, but with a different focus. The Kickstarter plan is $89 per month. It's perfect for beginners. You get one website, one product, one community, and 250 contacts. Plus, it comes with 7,500 marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, Kajabi AI, and Creator Studio. To help you get started, there's even a group onboarding call for guidance. The basic plan costs $149 per month and gives you more. It includes 3 products and 10,000 contacts. You also get unlimited marketing emails, landing pages, and third-party integrations. Like the Kickstarter plan, it comes with Kajabi AI, Creator Studio, and a group onboarding call. This plan is a great fit for early stage businesses ready to grow. The growth plan costs $199 per month and is the most popular option. It's great for small businesses and includes one website, 15 products, and 25,000 contacts. You also get affiliate programs, custom domains, branding, and access for multiple admin users. Plus, it comes with webhooks, 24/7 support, and enhanced automation tools to help your business grow. The Pro plan costs $399 per month and works best for larger businesses. It includes 3 websites, 100 products, and 100,000 contacts. You'll get advanced features like a custom code editor, webhooks, multiple admin users, and priority support. So which platform is right for you? If you want to create a traditional online school or academy, LearnWorlds might be a great fit. It's packed with tools to help you build courses and track how your students are doing. Plus, the pricing can be attractive if you're not planning to sell a high number of courses where fees might start to add up. However, if you're looking to build a larger digital business, Kajabi might be the better option. It covers everything: courses, memberships, coaching, email marketing, and even podcasting. Its all-in-one approach makes it easy to manage and grow your business without needing multiple tools. Plus, with a 0% transaction fees, all the money you earn goes right into your business. For those who want everything in one place and an easy-to-use platform, Kajabi is hard to beat. I've been using it for years and it just keeps getting better. They've added live webinars and Kajabi University, so it's clear they care about giving users what they need. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you will get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and the templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong, so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.